Morning, gentlemen. I am Satyendra Negi from RM Electronics, manufacturer of champion brand of UPSs. It's around 40-year-old company having branches all across India, more than 56 branches all across India, making UPSs right from 1 kVA till 300 kVA UPSs, basically for household purpose as well as industrial purpose also. And some of the new equipment for metal forming industries are this one. These are known as online UPSs. These are all equipped with the inbuilt isolation transformer, which are very good for laser cutting machines, laser bending machines, in fact for your laser marking machines and other sorts of equipment which are used for metal forming machines. And to top it up, we are having a very good clientele of leading companies in India like Tata's, Mahindra and Mahindra, Bajaj Auto Limited, powering more than 1,000 locations all across India, and many more companies like Honeywell Automation. We are powering these companies for last around 40 years and having a good response from them and having repeat customers for all these equipments over here. This is a 6 kVA UPS which can be used for a laser marking machine and laser welding machine. This is a UPS from 10 kV to 30 kV which is used for laser cutting machines, medical equipment machine, and very useful, long lasting product, very sturdy product, made in India product, which caters to Prime Minister Modi ji's scheme, Make in India scheme. We are with that scheme trying to give a better product for Indian customers. Regarding metal forming exhibition, this expo has been a very good experience for us. Compared to the other exhibition, this is a dedicated exhibition. People who know about this product do come to us and ask about the product. We are very happy to have a precise customer who knows the product and we give the proper solution to him. We are quite happy with this exhibition, and the way the people from Expo are conducting themselves, coming and helping us is exceptional, very good.